Hello, I'm Sterling Smith. This is my partner Corey Funk. We're here today to tell you about the BUV production business plan.
Alright, so our business plan has to do with the development of a BUV. Now, the BUV is a basic utility vehicle. It is a simple, convenient, and rugged vehicle that is designed for third world countries to provide basic utilities. Now, the BUV will have certain utilities. It can be customized for the customer. It will have certain things such as water pumps, generators, a mill, can act as an ambulance, or it can be used to carry large loads certain distances. Now, the management expertise, since we are the engineers, we will have consultants from the business side to help with the business aspects, and the Business Innovation Center will be used to help with funding as well as getting our project started. Now, the market analysis, we will be selling the BUVs to investors in third world countries that will in turn give it to the end user. And the need is to accomplish daily tasks such as transportation and pumping water, generating electricity, and such for third world countries. The business description, the title of our corporation is the Basic Utility Vehicle Project. It will be based here in Corpus Christi, Texas, and it will be a corporation. The three of us who have been working on this capstone project will be the owners as well as our mentor, Dr. Simoneski. The strengths and challenges of our business, the strengths are that it is a simple product that we are using. It will have a low overhead, and one of the challenges will be getting the project started and finding investors for the project. The goals are to have a BUV that will make an impact in developing nations, and we plan on having a low-cost BUV. The operations plan, we will need a facility to produce these BUVs. It will need to be at least a 3,000 square foot shop, and we will need machinery such as lathes, milling machines, drill presses, and such to assemble as well as manufacture the custom parts for the BUV. Labor needs, we will need a machinist to do some of the more intensive lathe and milling parts, and we will need business representatives to take care of the business side of the corporation. And later we will discuss the different business representatives. As far as suppliers, we will need certain manufacturers to provide us with parts for the BUV. That will be for the more main parts such as the engine and transmission and the differential, those sort of parts. Other parts will be manufactured in-house.
All right, as Corey mentioned, I'm going to talk to you about start off with the management profile. I'm going to talk to you about the different positions we have that we will need for this business. First and foremost will be the plant manager. He'll be in charge of day-to-day operations, overseeing the production and act as a general manager and consultant and try to coordinate everyone's plans and ideas together. Underneath the plant manager, you have the production manager and the sales team. Both of these will report to the plant manager. Production manager, he is in charge of the actual hands-on with the assembly team. He coordinates directly with the laborers or the assembly team to facilitate day-to-day operations. The sales team, they consist of two categories, the call center and the outside sales. Call center will be set up on a typical 9-to-5 schedule in order to allow customers to call in, ask questions, also ask for technical support, and then if a customer needs to buy new parts or purchase a new BUV, we'll have a call center available for them. The outside sales will be coordinated with third world countries in order to go and work one-on-one with customers to see their needs and work with them to solve those needs and coordinate what type of accessories they might need on their own BUV. The market analysis for our business, The target customers are investors in third world countries and also missionaries in third world countries. These BUVs will be used to help needy families and people in third world countries to get access to water and utilities that they normally wouldn't have access to due to the lack of transportation and also roads. The BUV industry is fairly new, so previous financial or sale records are not really available for other BUV businesses or endeavors that have been started. This lack of industry is a bad thing because there's no other things to base our business off of, but it does mean that we have less competitors, so our competition will be less, and so our sales will have less competition to compete with. The sales strategy, we have three bullet points on this one. Pricing will be based on the accessories. As mentioned, we will work one-on-one with customers to see what they need, and depending on what type of accessories, how many accessories they do, like Corey mentioned, the water pump or the generator, we will be able to price accordingly, and also such other customizations as engine size or piping, what type of liquid they want to pump and how fast they want to pump it. Another part of the sales strategy will be a commercial. We'll run a commercial or at least have a presentation built so that the consumer can go online and look, and in this commercial we will actually run the BUV and through all of the available accessories and show how they work, show how easy it is to use, and then we can, instead of just having to read a manual, they can actually go and see how things are going to work. And in this commercial, we will hopefully be able to prove the longevity and the quality of our product. The last sales strategy is as mentioned, fully customizable and will be made to order. This is a good sales strategy because anytime you're buying anything, you always want to have options, and so we're going to allow the customer to select exactly what they want for their application. Financial analysis, the biggest and the most important would be the startup cost. We have several things under the startup cost. As Corey mentioned, we will need a 3,000 square foot shop, so initially we will have to pay shop rent or purchase a shop, and the utilities to run that on a monthly basis, including water, electricity. The initial tool and equipment investment, as previously mentioned, we will need lathes and mills. We will also need hand tools and power tools to assemble the BUV. So those will be some of the initial investment. And also with those power tools, we'll need things to run them, like the air compressor. Also welders will be needed in the initial cost. And we hope to get these financial needs through capital investors and, as mentioned, investors in third world countries. So our coastal bend impact, we're going to bring two main things to the coastal bend. We're going to bring jobs and also a sense of community. Our BUV shop will be small compared to most vehicle manufacturers, so we will be able to work as a team, work together, and hopefully get everyone in a good mood and knowing that we're helping people in third world countries. Thank you.